Okay, this is your weather update for the 4th of April. We got that heavy rain, thunderstorms, high winds, snow, sleet. We had everything falling in Pennsylvania. Higher totals I seen were 6 inches up here in Pike and Wayne County and some areas up there, higher elevations up there. If you got some photos, whatever, reports, please send them in. This shows you the storm rotating, and you can see there are some showers and some snow flurries and stuff that are going to come through PA off and on. Like here's Friday afternoon, still going on, and then there's some flurries circulate around the storm as it goes by. Now, this is an estimate where the heaviest snow fell, northern New Jersey into the Poconos. If you got any reports, I'm sure there's some higher elevation snows out in northern PA, but this was the amount of totals. But it's not done yet. As this rotates around, you can see these numbers kind of expand a little bit. So if you're in Wayne County up that way, you probably have a little bit more snow, lighter amounts further south and to the west. But yeah, the circulation around this will put light snow totals up here. And again, higher elevations of the southern Laurel Mountains get a little bit more snow also. Everybody south and east, nothing to write home about from this. But this is your totals up and through Saturday is when I think when it will finally, the flurries and little squalls and stuff will let up. Okay, now your high temperatures today, they're warming up in the southeast a little bit into the 40s this afternoon. But you can see a lot of these pink areas where it's down near freezing. And that's cloud cover and the winds are coming out of the north and all. Overnight tonight, let's see, we get this towards morning. You can see the temperatures drop down below freezing into the 20s. Poconos, you're down in the 20s. Part of that's because of your snow cover. Out here also, temperatures have dropped. Elsewhere in the state, temperatures get into the lower to mid 30s. New Jersey, you stay in the low 40s. As we go into Friday, we still got those clouds and flurries going on. You can see temperatures rebound a little bit, a few degrees across the state. And again, in the southeast, you get into the 40s, definitely below normal. And it's kind of what was expected as we get into the Saturday morning hours. You can see you don't see any 20s right now, so it does warm up again a few degrees, maybe 4 or 5 degrees warmer. Southeast, you're in the upper 30s. Jersey, you're right around upper 30s, right around 40. Pittsburgh, you're above freezing, but close. And maybe some of the higher elevations, Laurel Highlands, you're still below freezing. And again, around these pink areas are close to freezing on the map. As we get into Saturday, when things begin to let up a little bit, let's see if we can bring this in and set it up. Okay. Temperatures, you can see a lot of areas that were in the 30s are now at around 40. So it's a few degrees climb every day, 3 to 4 degrees. We actually hit some 50s down here towards Philadelphia and South Jersey. And everybody's looking for the warm temperatures. Here's Sunday. Not so much 40s and 50s. And let's get into Monday. Um, There's Monday. You can see some 60s out here in western areas of Pennsylvania. This is where the eclipse is going to take place. 50s elsewhere, 60 again on the I-95 corridor. Precipitation on Monday. Let's see if I can find that one for you here. Um, Nothing. We have to watch and see about cloud cover, but that's the eclipse on Monday afternoon. So hopefully we get a good view of it on Monday. If you're traveling out there, roads are going to be packed. I'm understanding. I've been reading a lot of reports. Schools are closed. Prisons were shutting down. All kinds of craziness going on out there. But I think the biggest problem is going to be roads, traffic, because I think a lot of people are going to try to drive out there. If we move into Tuesday, we finally get into the warmer temperatures. They rebound into the 60s across the whole state. Even out here by Pittsburgh, it's trying for the upper 60s on Tuesday, which is the 9th. And then on Wednesday, we get, let's see if we can bring this up. Wednesday, we get into the 60s. A little backdoor cold front comes through, lowers the temperatures into the 40s in eastern PA, but the 60s hang on in central and western PA. All right, this is Fred. You take it easy. Send me your photos from the snow.